Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sharmistha and this is English with Sharmistha. Today's video is specially for those who have process writing in their syllabus. So if you have process writing in your syllabus, it's very easy to score full marks in process writing. Process writing is a composition in which you are asked to write the process of doing something. It can be the process of preparing tea, mango pickle, orange juice, and so on. Now, how to score full marks in process writing? You must have noticed that in the questions of process writing, a number of hints are provided. So it's not necessary for you to know how to prepare orange juice and how to prepare mango pickle practically. You just have to follow the hints. So the first thing that you should keep in mind is that you have to follow the hints. Secondly, you have to start with a heading, and the heading should be simple and meaningful. Your heading can be process of preparing tea or how to make mango pickle. And all the words of your heading should start with capital letters. So after the heading, you have to start writing the process. And while writing the process, you have to start with an introductory sentence. The introductory sentence generally carries 1 mark. So that's very important. So that sentence can be a general statement about the thing about which you are going to write. So if it is the process of preparing tea, your sentence can be that tea is a very popular drink. After the introductory sentence, your process writing starts. Now you have to follow the hints one by one. So your hint while writing the process of preparing tea can be taking and boiling water. So to start writing the process, after the introductory sentence, your sentence should be to prepare tea. At first, water is taken into a container and boiled. So this sentence is in present tense, and this sentence is also in passive voice. In process writing, all your sentences should be in present tense and also in passive voice. So you will see the structure of your sentence should be in passive voice. That's why the verb should always be in third form. Water is boiled, sugar is added, milk is added, tea is strained, tea is poured into the cups. These kind of phrases will be used. Now when you will follow the hints one by one, you have to start all your sentences with linkers like then, thereafter, next, after that. Linkers like this will give continuity to your process writing. You have to start the last sentence with finally or at last. It can be a sentence like finally tea is served in teacups on a tray. So these are the things that you should remember while writing a process. The first thing is there should be a heading, and the heading should be simple and meaningful. Secondly, you should write an introductory sentence that should be a general statement about the thing that you are going to write about. Thirdly, you should follow all the hints properly. Fourthly, all your sentences should be in passive voice and also present tense. Fifthly, you should use linkers like thereafter, next, then, after that. And finally, you should have a conclusive sentence which should start with finally or at last. If you will write a proper heading, an introduction, and follow the hints properly one by one, and at the end you will write a conclusive sentence, then you will get 1 mark for organization. That is, your process will automatically be organized. So instead of learning a process writing by heart at your home, you should practice this kind of process writing at your home. If you will do it, you can follow the process properly while writing in your exam, and you can definitely get full marks in it. So thanks for watching. That's all I had to say today. If this video was useful for you, do like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And keep reading, keep listening, keep practicing your grammar. And do take a very good care of yourself till I come with my next video. Bye for today.